Hello, people. Today we are going to talk about Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship. So ये बेसिकली 2023 बैच की लड़कियों के लिए है और दीज आर द स्कॉलरशिप डिटेल्स यू कैन चेक आउट ऑन द लिंक. ठीक है, ये एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, देख लो एक बार अच्छे से. लास्ट डेट इसकी 22 अगस्त है और ये सारी चीज़ें हमें चाहिएंगी. ऐसे रिज्यूमे, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन, देन हमारी मार्कशीट्स और थोड़ी सी और चीज़ें, और ये कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस हैं. बट आज हम मेन फोकस करने वाले हैं लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन पे. हमने एक रिज्यूमे पे भी वीडियो बनाई है बट वो अलग है, सो उसको चेकआउट करने के लिए चैनल पे चले जाओ. So I invited Sneha D. She's a Adobe Vid Scholar 2020, so that she can tell us and give us some tips that how we can get an LOR, from whom we should get an LOR, and what should be the format and how to write and stuff. So let's welcome Sneha D.
Thank you for having me. It's really good to be here.
So as you know that our Adobe application deadlines are just a couple of weeks away. So I really wanted to know about the LOR, letter of recommendation, how to write one, how to get one, and whom to approach to get an LOR, and like what to do. It is very confusing and very new for me because it's the first time any application is asking for a letter of recommendation for me.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, so before I actually go into the topic of LOR, I'll just address some simple misconceptions that people have. Ki, which professor you should go for when you have to get an LOR. So people think ki we should go for a professor that is like some head of the department or someone like that. But that is an absolute big no-no. Like I feel so. You should go for someone who you have a really good rapport with. So the professor that I chose was a professor that I'd worked with for like over 2 semester projects. And I was also the lead of the DSC at my campus at that time. So he was the faculty advisor for our DSC as well. So he had worked very closely with me. I had visited him a lot. So we have discussed a lot of things. So if you go to the Adobe side, there are like 5 criteria that they will be judging you on your LOR. They just don't want to see like on the basis of तुमने कितने grades लाए उस subject में. That's not the only thing that matters. What they want to see is कि तुम्हारी leadership skills क्या है. Can the professor comment on that? तुम्हारे critical analytical thinking skills कैसे हैं? Can the professor comment on that? So you have to think from that perspective. Just don't go for a professor जिसकी मतलब जिसमें तुमने A+ आ तो गया but you don't have a personal rapport with that professor. Go with someone जिसमें A भी आए but that professor knows you and someone who is responsive. The reason why I emphasize on this is because you have to get that letter of recommendation submitted from the portal by the professor. You don't submit it directly. So if the person is not responsive, so तुमने मतलब बोल तो दिया बन भी गया but they just forget to like submit it, then तुम्हारा पूरा application पानी में गया वहीं पर. So you have to make sure कि the professor that you connect with is someone you have a good rapport with, someone who can comment on your skills apart from your academics. So that would be one of the things that I will address. Uske baad, if we can go a bit detail into what the LOR should actually consist of. So if we are talking about the format of the LOR, then it's better to keep it like 1 page max, 1.5 page. जिससे ज़्यादा लिखने का इतना point नहीं है. Make sure that you are dividing it into like 4 or 5 paragraphs, and all of those paragraphs cover the different aspects कि कैसे they have worked with you. Address ki when did you first when did they first get to meet you, when did they first get to be in touch with you. तो वो कौन सा ईयर था, उसके बाद तुम्हारे क्या इंटरेक्शंस रहे उनके साथ एग्जैक्टली. सो माय प्रोफेसर एड्रेस की 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स थे, 2 सेमेस्टर प्रोजेक्ट्स किए. उसके बाद दे मेंशन कि जो प्रोजेक्ट्स थे उसमें दे एक्चुअली the student actually came and met me, discussed with me in the office about the project. They were receptive to feedback, how to like improve on the project. They could suggest innovative and novel ideas on how to improve on the project. And then it came to like not just working, like not just my skills, I'm also like good working with a team, because usually the semester projects that you have, they involve teamwork. So are you like good at collaboration? So these are all things that you have to like make sure कि तुम उसको एक बहुत well rounded way में cover कर पाओ. That would be my recommendation.
ओके, सो लाइक एक प्रॉब्लम ये भी है हमारे साथ अभी इस बैच के साथ कि हमारी जो प्रोफेसर्स के साथ इंटरेक्शन है ना वो ऑनलाइन हुई है. सो लाइक वी कांट से कि हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया, सो आप समझ ही रहे हो वो इतना अच्छा इंटरेक्शन नहीं है. सो ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि अगर हम एक ऐसे टीचर को ले जो हमारे स्कूल से हमारे साथ था, मे बी 7th क्लास से हमें अब तक जानता है और उनके साथ हमने काफी वर्क किया है, सो इज इट पॉसिबल, या फिर हमें सिर्फ कॉलेज के प्रोफेसर्स को मतलब लेना चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
I think you should go for the college wala professors, and the reason being is because तुम women in tech scholarship की तरफ जा रहे हो, तो the subjects that you're choosing that should also be relevant to tech. So if it's an English teacher, that might not be that relevant to the subject that you're going for. So probably go for your college professors. Someone like first year से अगर किसी का interaction हुआ है उन professors के साथ या over a year का तुम्हारी थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत हुई है, you can call them up and you can, if you had good decent grades, if virtual classes में तुमने actually attention देके answer किया उनके questions या कुछ instead of just attendance mark करने के जगह पे, then I think it would make a difference.
Okay, and even we can, like, if we have done any internships or projects, then we can give the LOR from a internship manager or something, you know, because they have worked closely with us, so they will know better than this college grades actually.
I'm not sure about this because I think it should be related to the academic the professor. But if it's an internship that's like a research internship, I think you can go for it because तुम्हारे credits assigned होता है फिर उसके साथ. तो तुम वो दिखा के बोल सकते हो कि हाँ, and this professor can actually comment on the research work that I've done, and इससे मुझे ये grade मिला है. So he was a mentor in a way. So that you can probably do.
Okay, got it. So they, like, as you said about the structure of the LOR, so I want to ask,
Yeah.
like, there is no formal structure na as such. Like, we can have a
नहीं.
Google Doc where we put the heading LOR and the student name and the date and the teacher name, and then it will start with the teacher. Like, teacher is telling about the student, that how they first met
Yeah.
and what is the, like, vibes he get from the student, and what are the all different stuff he should add.
Yeah. So one thing that you have to make sure for the format, which I think is important, is to get the college letterhead on it. So तुम्हारा जो भी college होता है उनका एक letterhead होता है, official letterhead or something. So if you can get it on that, then that would be like the ideal scenario.
But how will we get it? Because, like, in online scenario,
Yeah.
either.
Yeah. Yeah, so like when I also applied, the whole thing was like the be virtual. So you just contact your professor, they have access to the letterheads and everything, and they will give you that entire thing. So if you just want like jo content hai, you can go over it, you can work with the content with your professor ki haan, like what are the things that this scholarship requires for you to highlight. So these are the things that you can mention to them ki if we can highlight these out in the LOR, then that would be like ideal for the scholarship. And what you want to make sure is to get it on the college letterhead. In terms of the paragraphs, in terms of the content, don't make sure it's not too long. Make sure it's not too short. It covers like सारे points जो तुम्हारे हैं, and that's all. इतना कुछ ऐसा कुछ बहुत official कुछ format type नहीं है. These are just comment like कि उसने कैसे तुम्हारे साथ interact किया.
Yeah, and one more thing I would like to add is कि because हम एक ही बार सबमिट कर सकते हैं अपनी एप्लीकेशन, तो उसमें अगर हमने एक बार एक प्रोफेसर का नेम एंड ईमेल डाल दिया तो हम वी कांट चेंज इट. वी कैन चेंज होल एप्लीकेशन, we can edit it until the deadline, but we can't change the LOR person. So उसको थोड़ा सा पहले टीचर से बात कर लेना एंड देन ही उनकी
बात कर लेना. Exactly.
हाँ, कि उनसे पूछ लेना कि वो अवेलेबल होंगे क्या नहीं, बिकॉज उनको ही
Yeah.
मेल करना है तुम्हारा LOR. सो
Yep.
अगर बाद में उन्होंने तुम्हें गोस्ट कर दिया तो दिक्कत है.
Yeah.